what? Today we are going to be unboxing my 2014 September WeAreOnyx subscription box. I just got it today, so I know it's a little bit late, but hopefully my October subscription box will be a little bit faster than it came this month. So this WeAreOnyx subscription box is $25 a month, and it comes in this cute colorful box right here, and it has the WeAreOnyx logo on there. Now this little box right here, I do not throw it away after I take out my goodies. I just put like my makeup brushes in it. I put like my eyeshadows in there. So it's a pretty sturdy box, so I don't want to throw it away. I can use it after I've taken all of my subscription goodies out of here, okay? So that's something that you could be thinking about doing yourself. Okay, so when you first open your box, this is what it comes with. You get this cute pink tissue paper, and it has the little logo of the WeAreOnyx on there. So that's really cute, and you have to just unwrap that. Now, when I first opened my subscription box, the first thing I get is this little brochure of the Revlon Mascara Built Laker. It's just a little brochure here, and on the back you get like $1 coupon for if you want to go purchase it, you can get $1 off your next mascara. Alright, so next in the box is the actual mascara itself, the Revlon Built Laker. And this is pretty much a full size here, so which is a plus. And I tell you what, if this mascara is good, I will definitely be up at CVS with my $1 coupon buying some more of this. So hopefully this works really good so I can use my coupon. Alright, the next thing that we have in here is Cream of Nature with Argan Oil, new moisturizing milk mask repair and treatment. This is actually a 1 ounce sample. So this is the only sample so far that I see, and I've never used this stuff, so the next time I deep condition my hair, I'm going to try this stuff to see if it works, and if it works, I might get more of it, but I don't know, I just have to see how this works, okay? Next thing in the box is Cream of Nature with Argan Oil, Heat Defense Smooth and Shine Polisher. This looks like it's basically a full bottle of this stuff. It's 4 ounces, so this is a pretty good size of this, so if you want to flat iron your hair, this would be awesome, and I've never tried this either. So next thing in here, this is something new. It's Penelope J's all natural jasmine floor loader and toner for women, tones and hydrates. It's a 2 ounce spray bottle. I've never heard of this stuff before, so I will be definitely trying this stuff to see how it works. I guess you just spray it on your face and it's supposed to tone your face or whatever, whatnot. Hopefully you can see. I don't know how to see, you can see it. But, yeah. Let me see how it smells. It smells really good. So, it smells just like jasmine. So, I'm gonna have to try this and see how it works. And, you can go to www.thepenelopej.com to find out more information about this. But yeah, this is the first time I've ever heard of this stuff right here. Alright, the next thing I got is lip balm. Who cannot have enough lip balm? This is Yaelin Shea Butter Lip Balm Apple. And this is what it looks like. And I didn't actually open it yet because I want to wait till I'm going to actually use it. But I can actually smell it outside the tube, and it actually smells really good. So, and I'm forever losing my lip balm, so I'm so glad I got some lip balm in here. So that works for me. Now the next thing is a full size bottle of nail polish. It's like a teal greenish color. It's called Pear Nova. It's a really pretty color. And the style, well, the name of it is Woody Hipster. So, and this is the color of it. So it's a really pretty color, as you can see. So now this is usually my box comes with a card in it that tells you like all of the prices and where you can purchase the stuff, but I think it's because it was the end of the month and my box was just like put together real quick, so I didn't get the card in there. So hopefully next month I will have all that in there. Okay, so thank you guys so much for doing my unboxing with me. I got some really good products, some products I'm going to try, so I'm going to be really waiting for October's box. So join me next time when I do my October unboxing of the WeAreOnyx subscription box. And like I said, don't forget to comment, subscribe, link, and share the videos. And I will be back with more unboxing of my WeAreOnyx box. And until next time, guys, peace out. Bye.